What is up, YouTube? Welcome to another lovely day. And I actually mean that. It is going to be a lovely day. It's going to be like 70 degrees today. I'm thinking I get to wear this hoodie for a little bit. And go back to the t-shirt. Or polo, whatever the f***. I'm like 3 stops in right now. This is going to be number 3. Right around this corner. 3 out of 21. One of them's a pickup. So that'll be funny either way. I was actually a little worried about the traffic out here. This is not bad. Usually here so much earlier. Yeah, man. What the f*** is that? Little box on wheels. 2 of them, technically. You could say the same thing about that Jeep. Can I go before the light changes? Nope. That's too bad. Alright. It's moving a lot slower than I thought it would. Alright. Hell yeah. Five minutes. Nice and easy. Next spot's right down the street. Mark's is the f***ing spot. I think it's like the only chain that I'll go to. The only one that I really have access to, well, I guess I do have one in Canandaigua, but head to south towards Canandaigua on 21. There's a little truck stop right there. It's after 2, I'll make sure I post up and grab me a slice of that buffalo chicken. I have slices on hand, but they're kept warm. And if you're lucky, you can get a fresh one. Delicioso, I must say. Well, I'm feeling great. How are you guys doing today? How's that poop coming? I had a little shadow by the tire, like, ah, I'm gonna blow up. See, I didn't hear anything. I didn't hear that shotgun blast. Come on, you f***ing piece of shit. Why would you f***ing do that, you f***ing asshole? Look at this. Jerk off. Mitsubishi driver. A person that does not care about their driving experience. Yeah, I'm shitting on Mitsubishi. Mitsubishi. They don't make the Evo anymore. Is that the only good car they ever made? I remember growing up, my mom had a Plymouth Colt. It wasn't even a Dodge Colt. It was a Plymouth Colt. It wasn't a Dodge Colt. She had a Plymouth Neon. Chrysler Neon, so it was a Plymouth. F*** me. My memory's starting to go. I remember it had a Mitsubishi engine in it. The guy that sold it to her made that like a big selling point. Woohoo! Crunch it, crunch it. no wait, no wait, no wait, no wait, no wait. Yes! I don't even have to do a slalom today. This is wonderful. Come on there, feller. Oh yeah, 2 small rolls coming off. Should be money right there. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh, I'm lined up with him. Hopefully he's straight. I don't think he is though. There you go. Judgment call. I say this is straight. It's there somewhere. Bam! Peanut butter and jam. Yo, I called it. He's off, but perfectly straight. Fuck you. It's already getting warm. It's only 54. Oh, you gotta love spring. Like 3 weeks ago, I was out here in like the 20s. Now it's 54. This little Carhartt's, that's my winter gear. I throw on a thermal underneath it and I'm good. Surprising. Combination of good material and I'm just getting used to that shit. That's exactly what it is. When I came back from over the road, like my last stint, it was I did like a solid 3 months. I didn't come home once. I spent like the entire winter down south. And it was like Georgia and Alabama to Texas, to California, Texas, and back. And I came back my first winter, I remember, I don't know if I was scraping the windshield or if I was getting fuel. And I was just screaming like, people don't have to live like this. Now, it might seem like it, because I'm getting over that I'm being a dick, but I'm not. This light turns red, and there you go. Yeah, everybody here's making a right. Expressway going downtown. So if I was in the right lane, I'd be holding everybody up. Don't affect anyone's life. That is my goal. Sometimes it's achievable. So the camera died. Not sure exactly how much footage I got. It was 13%, so what is that, like 10 minutes maybe? I don't know. I'm still learning. Elder millennial. Not great with technology. Grew up with a computer in the living room with dial-up internet. Back in my day, you had to wait for porn to download, and it was just a picture. You know what? The little backwards roundabout way we took, 905. No turn on red, 7 to 9. Not waiting the day. Speaking of which, I gotta call my guy up. Yeah, that means I'm gonna have to start recording. Because I'm gonna pull over and give him a call. Let him know I'm coming. Alright, let me pull over really quick and give him a call. Okay, yeah, so pulled over, let my guy know I'm coming. Well, he's already there, which is perfect. The place officially opens at 10. The lady will come in, And I'll work around it, but he's got 5 rolls today, not just 1. So I work around it because I got to double back that way anyway. So if he's got 1, I can offload everything else, work around that, and then come back. The place will be open. She'll let me in, I can just unload it myself. Before 10, you give him a call. Either he's going to be there or one of his guys is going to be there, or if they're like in a tight bind, I'll just unload it myself and stash it away in a secret spot. I'm a systems man. My systems are all worked out. I got it. Call it efficiency. Try and get everything off as quickly as possible, but I call it me trying to go home as quickly as possible. There's no really back here. Just pull in the plaza. I figured I'd talk a little bit about that turn signal. Because god damn it, I usually get there like 8:40, 8:45, and it's like, well, I mean, do you wait? And I always wait. Always. Follow the rules. Don't break the law. Out here, you gotta be a good boy. Especially on camera. Actually, I might pop in here. First time I came here, I actually tried to back up into the overhead door. I came so close to wiping out the passenger side steps over here. Huh. It would help if there was enough space in the winter. The salting is not that great out here. But all right, he's got some stuff. Let's get the shit unloaded now. I'll check in with you in a bit. Nice bike. I actually got to ride this weekend. It was nice. Went out a little bit around the old neighborhood. That was a good time. I've been using my mother's house for storage. I'm about to get a green arrow. It's all good. Wait for it. You can see it. Green arrow. Yeah, we kept our bikes at my mother's house. Now we got them over at our house. Something else to take up space in the garage. Yeah, it was fun. I'm getting tired already. Dude, I already got 1 dent. Don't make me kill that thing. V6. Nobody cares about their V6s. There's an installer at this one spot that I go to, and he's very proud of his. He has a little Mustang V6. Put an exhaust on it. I think sounds hilarious. Yeah, good for him. My first V8 was in a Crown Vic. And I think 8 hours after I bought it, I got my first speeding ticket. My first and only speeding ticket, I would say. It's not like I learned my lesson. I think I just got lucky. Yeah, the next spot that we're going to, I was not supposed to go to for 2 more stops. They wanted me to do was take Surface Street south, hit up 2 stops, head back north, and then head back south. Well, we're not doing that. We're basically going directly east, then we're going to go south, then we're going to go east again. Some routing decisions I just do not understand, but whatever. There's a simple fix. And the only fix I had to make today. When I system is solid, so I cannot complain, especially for a day full of 21 stops. Actually, no, shit, I'm lying. They wanted me to pick up this big-ass pallet at like 9 in the morning and just work around it for the rest of the day. I am not about that life. So for the miles we save doing this, we'll make up for the miles I'm gonna gain doing that. It's not like it's anything crazy, like 15, 20 miles. Whatever. Plus, I get to show you guys the bay. The bay whose name I refuse to learn. Bay. Middle of winter, all this shit's iced over, and they got the little fishing huts out there. Oh my god, dude, alright. Those houses at the top of the hill are fucking expensive. I still got Zillow on my phone from when we were looking for a house. And just for shits and giggles, I looked at those. Like millions. Wow, I think it was 1 point something. 1.7 maybe? Was the most expensive one. They're fucking gorgeous houses. They all come with the little stairs that go down your own private dock. That's cool as shit. Last time I rolled in here, a sweet little old lady stopped. And I'm like, what are you doing? You don't have a stop sign. And obviously I'm spazzing out because it's all clear behind her. And then she just like thanks me for letting her go. I was like, okay. All right. 16 pieces. 3 rolls of pad, 13 carpet. I saw at least 2 were tiny. Get alongside that dumpster like the trash I am. Oh yeah. All right, boys and girls, made it to another one. Hell yeah. Get to head down to Center City now. It's gonna be before noon, so that is nice. I have to deal with that nonsense traffic. Come along, Nadia. Oh, it's hotter than hell in here. It's 60 degrees out. Downside all these windows get cooked. Only a couple battle scars. Could be worse. Fuck. What is it? Sure wish I finished training. Student with idiot fur trainer. So what? I f***ing tried. It can't be that good to be a punching bag. At what point do you stop perpetuating a stereotype? I get it, they'll hire people that nobody else wants to hire. I remember when I signed on with Crete, there was a dude with like a DUI from the 80s, and they wouldn't let him in. Some people are selective. And again, who knows anymore? I keep saying that the industry needs drivers. I know when I started out, you needed 2 years to drive local. Now, my company will take anybody. Take a student and send them down to Georgia for I don't know how many weeks. Send them up. I don't know how I feel about that. A lot of things that I do that I wouldn't trust a rookie with. Like this next stop that we're going to. I've seen guys struggle with that bag. And I'm talking about for like half an hour or more. And one time I pulled up, I only had a couple of boxes. And he was trying to back in. He was trying to do a seaside, which is damn near impossible. If it is possible, well, yeah, you can. I know because I pulled out. You have to back up and get out when the right side's being blocked. All right, the way it's set up, building's right here. Got an entrance and an exit. I was coming this way, set it up line side, do that. They have like a moving company and they'll have like trucks over here so you can't get out this way. So I have pulled forward to the left, back up, straighten it out, and come through. You'll see what I'm talking about when I get there. It's just, man, some people just really struggle. And it's like older guys too. Not somebody fresh in the game. Yeah, I showed up with a couple of boxes. Like, you want to just go out there and help them? I'm like, no! Oh, I feel like an asshole if somebody came out and tried to guide me. Alright, my exit looks good. Now, see if that changes. See, we got 2 stops right here. One directly behind this building, and there's going to be one around the corner. Woo! Alright, come on, person. Go ahead. Go ahead. Basically stopping traffic for you. Hell yeah. No curb action. Son of a bitch. Alright, what are you doing? Come on. Go somewhere. Instant Express. I wonder what he has. Oh, let's find out. Alright, that was perfect timing. There is another dock there, but he's so fucking crooked, I would not be able to fit. In a box truck, too. There's no fucking excuse. Alright. Yeah, that door's for like UPS, FedEx, box trucks and shit. Just because it's thinner than the one I'm using. Alright. Let's see here. Gotta overshoot it. And you can straighten it out. Have to pull over. Alright. How are we doing? Oh, Jesus. That was good. Right, crank it. Let the truck be a little bit crooked so people can get through. Almost there. There it is. There you have it. Let's go around the corner. So what'd you guys think? Fun video today? A little bit more high energy, a little bit more talkative. Some not that bad stops. A little bit of subpar driving in between. One bad shift. Okay, looking good. I don't get the arrow. Oh, so it doesn't look that bad. Got 15 seconds. I'm not making that. Oh, hell yeah, I am. One left turner. This is why those lines are important. Don't go over them. Oh, must be nice, Ward. You don't have to go down that street. Allie? Good. Curb? No curb? Slight curb. It's as wide as I could possibly take that. And I'm as far over as I can possibly be. People might make it through. There you go. That's the video, guys. Later.